What's going on, everybody? And today we're going to be replacing the windshield washer fluid reservoir motor on a 96 K1500 Chevrolet. Should be a fairly simple install. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Let's get to it. First, you're going to need to pop your hood. It's going to be right here. Once the hood's popped, you're going to want to look down, grab your lever, pull it up. Now your windshield washer fluid reservoir is right here. This is the neck. It's actually under the storage container, so we have to take this off first. First things first, you're going to want to open the storage container, look in, and you'll see these two tabs right here. On these tabs, we need to take both of these off. We just take our flathead, and you're going to want to pull in like that, and then pull up slightly. And you should feel it pop off. So there's a bolt right here as well. It's a 10 millimeter. We're going to go ahead and get that out. So the next step to be able to take that out, you're going to actually go down under the fender well here. And there's a 13 millimeter nut that needs to come off that holds that storage box on. So now that you have the 10 millimeter bolt, the clips undone, and the nut at the bottom loosened, this should be able to just slide it right out, just like that. Next, we need to take the water neck off here, and there's a 7 millimeter bolt right here. Should be able to just pop this up. Just like that. Now if your container is full, just remember to put something underneath to catch all the fluid, because it will spill out. I don't really care. It's just washer fluid. It can get on my dirt. Now we need to remove this 10 millimeter bolt right there. So now that that screw is off, we can lift this up. If it has liquid in it, it's going to be pretty heavy. But you kind of just turn it like that. What you're going to do is take this cover off, lift that up, and then it just velcros off like that. And then you're going to unplug the motor itself just by lifting that tab. And then this should be clipped in, and then you'll pop that out and then pull upwards. Just slides in that grommet. Then we can take this out, undo this, and put our new one on. So I've got the new one, just going to put that back on. Actually comes with the new grommet as well to put in the, just throw that in there. Comes with the new grommet to put here. You can use a flathead to get it out. I'm just going to use my fingers and pull it out. That could be why we're not getting any spray right there. Look how gunk that is. Ugh. That's disgusting. Even if yours doesn't come with the grommet, I definitely recommend pulling this out and cleaning it. I think that may have been part of the problem why mine wouldn't spray very good. Or you could put the new one in. We just thought with the little filter system it'd probably be better, but I'm just going to pop it back in here. You might need to persuade it with like a screwdriver to get the grommet to pop back in, but usually I can get it with my finger like that. So now we can reinstall the wiper motor and everything. Okay, so now we can try and install everything back. Oh, okay, so this actually spins, so that's nice. So we can put it in the right direction. I'll put this in first, and then this pops back. Just like that. This will pop back in, which which I find to be the hardest to do because mine doesn't want to pop back in. Then you'll plug this in. There it goes. And we'll pop this in. Pop that back in. This is such a pain to do. Take your cover. Sure it clips in on the back here first, and then you can pop this on. Alright, now we can slip it back into its hole. Once you've got it slipped back in there, we can reinstall the bolt. Once that is installed, you can reinstall the tube. Once you've done that, we can put our storage container back in. The stud goes back. Line this hole up first. Push it down and tighten our bolt up here. We'll come back down here and install our nut and tighten it up. Alright, now we can refill it with our washer fluid. It should take a minute. Oh my god. Don't do it the Tyler way.
What are you talking about?
This is a mess.
Look at how quickly it did it.
You just made a mess of it though.
Yeah.
Oh well. The wiper fluid is messily put in. We can test our motor. Can hear it running? Oh yeah. Works great now. Alright, that's how you replace your windshield washer fluid reservoir motor. Simple install, it just kind of is tedious to get that hose and everything back onto the assembly, but overall it went good, works great. Super glad to be able to have that option now, because before we couldn't see anything if the windshield got dirty. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video.